Hey kids, so in our last CS first class, we added a sprite in our startup project and we added a few dialogues to that sprite using event block and say block, right? So now let's move further. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Okay, I have many classes, so that's why my dashboard is looking like this. Your dashboard looks somewhat different, right? But we have similar menus. I'll click on my projects menus. Okay, and I'll open the project that I have created for narration chapter. So let's see. This is the project that I have created for narration chapter. My projects menu has many projects because I'm teaching different grades. So that's the reason there are many different projects over there. Okay, but your projects menu should only have one project, that is project 1. Okay. Okay, so this is something I have already coded. Okay, so when I click on go, hi, I'm Dino the dinosaur. I think there is a fire nearby. Oh no, there is indeed a fire nearby. So as you can see, the dialogues are coming very fast, right? So we can adjust them from here, suppose for 3 seconds. Now what we need to do in this project is we need to add one more sprite. So this dinosaur will have a conversation now. Okay, so let's add one more sprite. So let's open the sprites library. Library, I want an animal because we have shown a jungle or a forest. So I want one animal over there. It can be a bird also. Okay, so let's select the parrot. Okay, so this is the parrot now. If they both are having a conversation, the parrot should look towards the dinosaur, right? So to make this happen, we will flip the parrot. Now how to do it? Click on the parrot in the sprites pane, click on costumes, and see in the costumes we have flip horizontal option. Now the parrot is looking over here. Okay, so come back to the code tab, click on the code tab now, and now let's code for parrot. Okay, so we'll again add an event block, that is gray when green flag clicked. Then we'll go in the looks, we'll add say block over here. Okay, so now I'll say hi, I'm Birdie the parrot. I guess there is a fire too. Let us go there and check if we can help anyone. Okay, so let's see how the conversation turns out. So I want my conversation to be like this. The dinosaur is saying that, hi, I'm Dino the dinosaur. Then the parrot will say that, hi, I'm Birdie the parrot. Then the dinosaur will say that, I think there is a fire nearby. Then the parrot will say that, yeah, I guess there is a fire too. Then the dinosaur will say, oh no, there is indeed a fire nearby. Then the parrot will say, let us go there and check if we can help anyone. So this is how the conversation should happen in the first person's point of view, right? Now when we click on the green flag, the conversation indeed happens, but can you see the dialogues are coming together? Okay, so there should be a space, right? The character should wait for other character to speak and then speak the next dialogue. Now, for this thing to happen, we need to make use of one very important block, that is wait block. Okay, so first let's increase these seconds because our dialogues are little bit long. Okay, so now we will click on control block and we will add wait block in between all of these dialogues. Okay, for dinosaur also we will add wait block in between. Now let's see whether we have done correct or not. So I guess there is a slight mm, need of adjustment, right? Okay, so let's see. Now we see that the dinosaur is the first one to say, right? So dinosaur says that, hi, I'm Dino the dinosaur for 3 seconds. Correct? So the parrot should wait till then time, right? So we should add a wait block for 3 seconds over here. Okay, then the parrot will say, hi, I'm Birdie the parrot. Okay, then the till that moment the dinosaur will wait for 3 seconds. Perfect. Now come back over here, then Birdie will wait for 3 seconds. So let's change these values to 3 seconds so that everybody will wait. Now let's see whether our adjustment has worked or not. Hi, I'm Dino the dinosaur. Hi, I'm Birdie the parrot. I think there is a fire nearby. Yeah, I guess there is a fire too. Oh no, there is indeed a fire nearby. Let us go there and check if we can help anyone. That's great. So we have completed the narration very nicely, right? So do make use of wait block whenever you see the two dialogues are coming together for two different sprites. Okay, and complete your narration project like this.